Welcome to Forward Kahuta, a district in Azad Kashmir, known for its natural beauty and warm hospitality. Today we will explore one of its hidden gems. Neel Fairy Meadows, nestled in the foothills of Bedori Mountain Peak, is a popular tourist spot easily accessible from Islamabad and Muzaffarabad. It's loved for its tranquil lakes, lush meadows, and breathtaking views. To reach Neel Fairy Meadows, you will travel through scenic routes, passing by high mountains and quaint villages. The journey itself is an adventure filled with awe-inspiring sights. Once you arrive, you can enjoy hiking, picnic, or simply soaking in the natural beauty. Neel Fairy Meadows is a paradise for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful escape. As the sun sets over the mountains of Forward Kahuta, Neel Fairy Meadows leaves a lasting impression. Whether you are seeking adventure or tranquility, this hidden gem promises an unforgettable experience.